Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my storage template or my template storage, or otherwise known as Template Monster. A Template Monster is a WordPress WordPress theme, extensions, and plugin website that you could join. You can join for free, and then you can pay individually for the items that you want, or you can join through a membership. So I'm just going to run through the information. This is, if you just go to templatemonster.com, this is the page that you'll fall on. And if you hover over these titles over here, or this menu over here, it'll show you all the different templates that you have access to. And there's a lot of them. There's WordPress stores, e-commerce templates, popular categories. Let me go back. Website categories. There's also HTML templates and CMS templates as well that you can join, or you can purchase individually. Now, there's also presentation types and categories. There's different graphics that you can purchase. There's a membership where you can join, and that's what this up here is. You can join it right now for $179 a year. And these are some of the products that you have access to. Now, if you join through one membership, you'll pay the $179 per year, and then you can go out and you have unlimited access, but your access is limited to only these items. Okay, that's important that you understand that. It's limited to only these items. So if you want other things that go outside of the one membership, then you have to pay extra. Okay, but this is a good option. There are still quite a few things that you can have access to. Here's plugins, website builders, and then services. Okay, now again, that is separate from the 1 year unlimited access membership. So I want to make that very clear. I don't want to mislead anybody. And then they also have recommended hosting that you can choose from. I personally have liked HostGator. I've had no issues with HostGator at all. I've been with them since 2014. I'll leave information to my website about HostGator. There's also Bluehost. I'm not a fan of Bluehost. I used to have them. But there's also SiteGround, WordPress Engine. Those are more they're more expensive. But if you just want to put up a WordPress blog and you're not worried about doing a store or anything like that, something like HostGator would give you everything that you need, and you also get a free SSL ticket or certificate for your website, and they'll set that up for you. And what I mean by that is, if I go out to, say, my website, Tips from Lori, you'll see this little padlock right here. That means it is secured. Now, I don't sell anything directly from my website, so I don't have like a cart or a payment gateway or anything like that. But I do, in case I do want to later, I have already have that in place. So let's go back to okay, so if you're interested in the unlimited access, here's a breakdown of it. For 1 year, you get your ultimate web development kit. You get WordPress and CMS themes. CMS stands for Content Management System themes, e-commerce themes, powerful plugins, presentation templates, diverse graphics, unlimited installations, 24/7 technical support, and mock-up tool first year free. And these are some of the templates, or here's some WordPress plugins as well as some themes. Download them freely, use without limits, enjoy the benefits, get extra services. and then all in one. Okay, so I want to go up to the pricing, and there's another option. If you want to have lifetime unlimited access, that's $5.99. This would be more for somebody that has their own agency. So if you're just getting started, you may just want to go with the $179. It breaks it down to $14.90 a month doing that. Or if you just want to join and then buy the products individually, that's also another option as well. Okay, so lots of good information. Lots of good support. They have a live chat as well. You can go through and look at all items, see what they're offering. Oh, that's for search. Okay, so WordPress themes. And I think I had already... Okay, so here's an example of some of the WordPress themes. Now the other thing, if you don't want to join and you don't want to buy any themes, if you just have a WordPress website, you can get free themes, but they are limited to what you could do and how much you could customize them. That's why a lot of people like to purchase their own, and so they can customize it a lot more. Okay, so you could go out to all of this. I'll leave a link to go out to this website in the description of this video. Go out, check it out, and you can cancel anytime if you decide you don't like it. There are other options. There's one called My Theme Shop. I'll be doing a video about that in the very near future. And there's also websites that will help you with the maintenance and support of your updates of your WordPress website, if that's another option you want to look at. So thanks for watching. Again, Template Monster is a great option for WordPress themes, extensions, and plugins. But it's only one. But again, it is a good option. So please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching. Good luck.